Okay, so Anisha, first of all, I want to know from you that what you felt about the interview. How was it?
It was very poor interview.
Sorry,
Very poor, sir.
very poor. Okay, and what do you want to rate yourself out of 10?
Two.
2. Okay, cool. So tell me one thing, that what you felt, what was lacking in the interview, where you failed.
Uh, I feel I was a little bit nervous about throughout the interview. So this is my first
Okay,
interview. I
okay,
have never attended for anything. So
mhm,
then
okay,
I was not good in communication. I thought I
okay,
felt that.
okay.
Um,
That's all. Okay, cool. Now I'll be adding my feedbacks. Okay, so what all things were right and wrong in the interview. Okay, so I'll start with the intro part. Okay, in the intro part, you can have a more attractive intro. Okay, because see, I don't know you personally. Okay, so I had that 1 minute to know you. Okay, so I would like to know maximum from you in the 30 minutes of, or like for that 1 minute time, whatever we have. Okay, so you should not add your family background in the intro part. That is not required. Okay. Your percentage, your marks, not required. Okay. Just add about yourself. Who are you? What have you achieved till now? Okay. In life. And your
but
achievements, your hobbies.
okay, sir. But I have not. I have nothing to tell the best achievements that I have. So
No, you might have done some curriculum in the college time, or you might have done something, right? Some sports, some hobbies. You might be having some hobbies. You might be a dancer, singer, sports player, anything.
nothing, sir. I was not like that.
Okay. So something, whatever you want, whatever you feel is good in you, try to add your qualities. Okay. The things which
Okay.
are good in you. Okay. Because see, you have to show that you are good. Okay. In all these things. Because academics, we know everyone is coming after studying academics. Okay. So apart from academics, what skills do you have? Or what things do you have? That is the main motive of the intro to know. Okay. That's why I asked you a question. Tell me something that is not mentioned in the resume also. Okay, so that I
Okay,
can
sir.
get some
So
points.
how can I change my intro as? What do you think, sir, about?
See, in intro, you can just start with yourself from wherever you are, okay, and what
Okay.
all things you have done in the degree and all, okay. Don't add the
Okay.
percentage and marks, whatever you have received, just add the degree. I have done this and that, okay. Apart from this, just add any of your skill, okay. I'm not aware about your skills, okay. I cannot tell you about your skills, what you have, okay. So
Okay.
anything whichever thing is good in you, or whatever you feel that you are good in it, that add that particular part in the intro. Okay, don't
Okay.
add about the family background and families and all, father, mother, brother, occupation and all. Okay, don't add, not required. Okay, if I would be requiring that, I'll ask you. Okay, tell me about the family background and everything.
That's my hobbies. That what I said is was my skills. That is, I like flower making flower arrangements
So do
and
one thing, elaborate that a bit. Okay, if you don't have much to say, then elaborate a bit. Whatever hobbies you have, okay, elaborate a bit. I have done this thing here, there, wherever you have explored things. Okay, elaborate your points. Okay,
okay.
not a problem. Okay, because you have to utilize 1 minute time. In 1 minute, whatever you can elaborate, you can just add, try to add. Okay, so do one thing, someday do one thing, take a paper, write whatever skills, whatever things you have in yourself. Okay, and then it will be easy for you to frame things, that what should I add and what should not I add. Okay, so that will be easy for you.
Sir,
Okay,
I couldn't find anything to say. So what should I do?
see, skills part, so you have to manage yourself, because I cannot say about your skills. Okay, I don't know you personally, I cannot comment on that, what skills you have. Okay, I have my skills. Okay, so whatever things is in me, I'll add my skills. Okay, so you have to find your skills, that what qualities you have. That is your job to do. I cannot tell you in one
Okay.
meeting. Okay, what all skills you have. Okay, so try to find. That's why I told you, take a paper, write some points in that. What are your things you are best in, you are good in. Okay, and then try to like add everything in the resume by framing it in your mind. Okay, think of that what all things I have, and then add it in the resume part. Okay. So second thing is the confidence level, as you told. that confidence was not very good. Okay, you were thinking much, you were not able to answer questions. Okay, so remove this hesitation. Okay, I know you are a fresher, but still, as I told you in the beginning only, that treat me as your friend. Okay, don't have a pressure of interviewer, because see, when you talk to your friend, you don't hesitate, right? You never hesitate while talking to your friend. Okay, your family, relatives, you don't hesitate while talking to them. So treat the same way. Have a glass of water before the interview, okay? So that you can give your best, whatever things are best in you, okay? So always try to add all these things, okay? Then that will be more attractive, okay? But if you hesitate in the original interview also, that will create a problem, okay? So don't try to hesitate, okay? Try to be as honest and as confident as you can, okay? And as you mentioned, you are a teacher. So academic questions are important for you. Okay. Academic things you should know. Okay. If you're applying for BDA role, then I would tell you that, okay, don't focus on academic parts. That will work fine. Okay. But you are a teacher. You want to become a mentor in Byju's. Then academic is important for you. Okay. And simple questions, state, union territories, that are very simple things. Okay. Even a fifth class child is also knowing everything about states and UTs. Okay, everyone knows about UTs. Okay, if you don't know, no worries, just Google it and try to remember things.
I was just yeah, I have told you that I was a little bit nervous. So and I don't like this histories and
No,
politics.
history, that
So
it's about our country, right? I'm not
yes,
going to history.
I
I'm just
know, sir,
asking about
but
country.
I was not interested. So yeah, and last 3 years I was
I understand.
preparing for the CSIR. So and I
No,
have
I
I
understand.
feel
See, but basic things they can definitely ask you. So you have to be answerable. Okay,
okay.
because they'll think that if you are not answering simple questions, and how to hire you as a mentor. Okay, you'll have a negative point there. Okay, so try to learn few basic things about India and all. Okay, because Newton's law and all you know that, right? Ratio of fractions you know. Then try to learn about states and UTs. Okay, not sure they'll ask the same question or not in the original interview, but you should know as a person also, as an Indian, you should know that what are things in India. Okay, so basic things you should know. Be it they ask you, they don't ask you, don't consider that. Okay, just know few things. Okay, and in every question, okay, first of all, try to understand the concern of the customer. Okay, as customer is complaining something about anything, okay, try to convince the customer, don't give up. Okay, I felt at some point you were giving up. Okay, might be due to nervousness you were giving up things. Okay, don't give up, try to have your approach. Okay, because whatever things you know, you should have considered that. As I told you about social science, Hindi and computers, you told I'll teach, then you were like, okay, I cannot teach all these subjects. Okay, so don't have two statements, never. Okay, because this will confuse you only, and you will be trapped in all this. Okay, so don't create a situation where you are
In
trapped
this
yourself.
situation, what will be correct answer?
The correct answer will be C. You can tell that that's sir C. As you told clearly, he's passing, right? In social science, Hindi, and computers, right? So, sir, he'll pass. I know. Because, sir, these subjects will not matter much. Okay. This is for only passing only. Okay. And, sir, see, if he's weak on this, then, sir, if you give a little focus, okay, then definitely he'll improve. Sir, these are things where no concept are involved. There is no concept or theory in it. You only have to memorize things, sir. Okay. So as he learned from Byju's, so once he learned science and maths from Byju's, okay, so he'll develop concentration. Okay. And once he develop concentration in himself, he'll be able to learn things. Okay. Give some time to him, sir, because sir, if you want, you can go anywhere in this world. Okay. But no one can teach you good in these subjects. Okay. For class 4th student, no one will give you suggestions to go for all this. Okay. So, sir, focus on the base. As you mentioned correctly, that if your building is built, base is important in that, right? So you can mention, sir, we are giving the base because we are thinking of future perspective also. That in future, what can be best for him, what not. Okay, these things, science, Hindi, and maths, that will not matter. After 2, 3 class, he'll not be able to study all these things also. Okay, science and maths will be so much involved, he'll not go anywhere else. Okay, sir, give some time. Okay, just check where he's lacking. Okay, he's going to school, he'll learn things, sir. Okay, sir, because of this reason, don't leave Byju's, sir. Because, sir, Any other coaching institute can teach you science, Hindi, and maths, but they'll not give you the concept of science and maths what we are giving you. Because, sir, you know, we have best teachers in India, and best is best, sir. Best has no alternative. Okay, I cannot tell you that Vedantu is best. Okay, no one tells, but we commit, sir, that we have best teacher in India. And sir, you also understand what is best, sir. So no teacher can explain things better than a best teacher, sir. So my recommendation to you is please keep this with you, sir. For this particular thing, don't let these things ruin the child's future. See, sir, no one is responsible, not even I, not even you. We have our own jobs, we'll do the jobs. But child will suffer, sir. So don't let the child suffer, sir. That will definitely impact. This way you can close the conversation, okay? And he'll be convinced. I assure you that. If you say all these things, he'll be convinced with this, okay? So try to add these kind of points, okay? Whenever you are questioning something, okay? That will definitely help you, okay? In any question, okay? Suppose I ask you a question where manager is not good, okay? Your manager wants you to leave this job, okay? So, and you have a good plan with you for improvement of organization. Then see, everyone has a higher level, higher authority, okay? Your manager is also having a manager, okay? So there is a hierarchy which we follow, right? You are an employee, then TL, then manager, then senior manager, then super senior manager, all these things comes, okay? So you should tell like this, if manager is not listening to me, he is avoiding me, I'll go to senior level. I'll go to management for that, okay? Because I have a good plan. And if he is not listening to me, I'll try to convince him with all possible ways I can. But if he is rude, he is not listening to me only, I'll go to senior management. Because see, I am working for the company, not for the manager. So I want growth of company as an individual. If company will go, then I'll also grow someday. Okay. So that is the reason. Because you can give an example. That sir, we have a good examples. Okay. Sundar Pichai is a good example. He was having a good idea of Google. So he communicated to the management. And now see today, he's a CEO of Google. Okay. So this way only we progress. If we have good idea, we should share that. Then only we'll progress. Okay. So if you say all these points now, definitely he'll be impressed. Okay. Anyone will be impressed from this. Okay. So you have to add all these points. Give examples. If you don't know the correct answer, try to give examples. That's why we have these examples and all that. Okay. When I ask you a question that mentor is not calling, okay, mentor service is very pathetic, a very like ruined services there in Byju's and all that. So you can add, sir, I understand, but sir, see, I assure you that mentor will call you from now because sir, I'll take the case on my hand. Now I'll personally check for a few days that what issues you were facing, sir. Okay, and whatever loss you faced, I'll try to cover it up. Okay, so whatever things were missed, I'll try to cover it up, sir. Because sir, I don't know why this happened. This don't happen in Byju's, but I'll make a check. Sir, see, this is not a one-day task. Okay, I'll just convey to my team. They'll check what happened exactly, why the mentor has not called you. But sir, for this reason, you want to leave Byju's, sir. Please don't do that, sir. That is about the child's career. Don't ruin that, sir. Because sir, mentor will come and go. But this concept, the best teachers in Byju's, they'll remain there. Okay. And you took Byju's because of best teachers, not because of mentors, sir. Right? So, sir, don't let this point ruin your child's career, sir. Because, sir, you won't get best anywhere else. Okay. Try to add some feature of Byju's. So in Byju's, we have adaptive learning, knowledge graph concept, all that, sir. You won't be getting anywhere else, sir. Okay. So, sir, because of this, don't let this thing happen, sir. I will request you, sir. Because, sir, see, for mentors, I'll arrange a session. I'll just check with my team. I'll do all possible things, whatever you want. But, sir, don't leave Byju's because of this, sir. Because ultimately, the best teachers are there, okay, to teach your child. Okay. Tell me one thing, sir. Are you facing any issue with the teachers? Okay. Are the education quality is not good as per you? He'll say, no, education is good. Then, sir, things are sorted now. Okay. For mentor, I assure you, this will not happen again. Okay. I'm taking this concern to my senior level. I'll escalate this concern. This happened to the customer, and going forward, it will not happen, sir. Be assured. Okay. This way you can end the conversation there. Okay. So you have to find a way out. Okay. There are multiple approaches. This is my approach. When I am asked a question, I'll approach this way. Okay. So you have to always be positive with the customer. Okay. Whatever the customer says, try to say yes and tell the positive things to the customers. Okay. Once you tell the positive things, things will work fine. No worries. Okay. An academic pass, so you have to work your way. Okay. There are few questions, few simple questions. You have to work your way. Okay. Don't let that question ruin your interview. Okay. You have to add something in that. Okay. Rest, see, as a fresher, I can see the confidence level is good. You are having a smile on your face while giving the answers. That gives a good impression towards the interviewer that you are having interest in giving the answers. Okay. So that is a good part from my side. Okay. And the confidence as a fresher, you are having a great confidence. Okay. Because if someone is experienced and he is lagging somewhere, then we can point out that you're experienced and you're lagging somewhere. Being a fresher, I understand. We do mistakes. Then only we learn things. Okay. So mistakes is a learning kind of thing. Okay. So learn from this and don't repeat this in next session. Okay. Whatever you did today, no issues. I am happy with that because whatever my expectation was, you were above my expectation in confidence. Okay. Somewhere you lack, but whatever as a fresher I expected, you were above that. Okay. So I feel that you have the enthusiasm to do well. Okay. Just have confidence on yourself that I will do that because chances are limited. You get very limited chances to prove yourself. And whenever a chance is given to you, don't let the chance ruin your career. Okay. At any cost. Okay. So you are responsible for that. Okay. So just treat the interviewer as a friend. Just think of it. He's my friend. I'll interact with him and all that. Okay. And things will work fine. Not a problem. Okay. Just have confidence on yourself. You're doing good. For now, do one thing. If you have mirror in your house, okay, just rehearse in front of mirror. Okay. Try to speak something in front of mirror for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay. That will help you boost the confidence. Okay. Daily practice. Make it daily practice. Daily you do this. If you have mirror, take out 15, 20 minutes, 5, 10 minutes, whatever time you have in a day, and just rehearse. Whatever things are there, read an article from Google or somewhere. Okay. Try to speak without hesitation. Okay. Then this thing will go. Full confidence will come and this thing will completely go from you. And you will be able to answer things clearly. Okay. So just work on yourself wherever you're lacking, work on all that part. Okay. And slowly and steadily you'll improve. Okay. But as per me, as a fresher, the confidence level is very good. Okay. Eye contact is good. You have a decent smile on your face while answering the question. So these things are the positive things from your side. Okay. So keep it up this way only. But wherever you are lacking in answers, try to improve that. Okay. That will be all. Okay. And you will definitely do well. Okay. So now, if you have any question you want to ask, anything regarding interview, regarding Byju's, you can ask me now.
Sir, is the subject-based questions were correct? Sorry, sir.
Huh.
You asked me a subject-based question that was correct, right, sir?
Yes.
General knowledge was very weak, right?
General knowledge was weak. Academics was weak. But apart from that, things were good. Okay. So work on the academics. Okay. Work on the academics thing, and then things will work fine. Okay. But develop the approach. As I told you the answers, how to answer a question, develop that way. Try to follow me at how I answered things. Okay. Remember things while answering a question. Take 1 minute time, think of it, then speak. Okay. This way you'll
And sir,
improve.
if I ask you one question, if a person
Yes.
with no singing, dancing, sports skills, but he or she is good in teaching, then
Hmm.
how can she or he introduce herself?
Okay, so you can add, see, I am a good teacher. Okay, in the intro, you'll add, I am a good teacher. So whatever in teaching you have experience till now, you can add, okay, sir, I have good experience in teaching. Once I was in my school and I achieved this particular thing. The concept was not very clear, but I made that clear. Okay. So whatever things are in you, you have to express that. What a singer does, he'll explain his things, right? That I can sing folk music, I can sing classical music and all that. So what he is doing, think of it. He is just classifying the categories that I am a singer, I like classical music, I like folk music, I like this and that. Okay. So he's not doing anything else. He's just summarizing things, right? So being a teacher, whatever experience you have till now, okay, try to frame it in 30 seconds or 40 seconds. Okay. So that you can do better because you are a teacher. I'm not a teacher. So I cannot explain you well how to do that. That you should do that. Once you memorize points, once you write point, you'll never forget in life. That I can assure you. Okay. Try to find out your skills. Okay. And I would just recommend you something. Okay. If you don't have any skill, okay, develop one skill. Okay. That is mandatory for your career also. Okay. Not today, but after coming 5-10 years, you'll realize that you should have a skill. Okay. So whatever interest you have, okay, not about the interview. Generally, I'm telling you, develop a skill in yourself. Okay. Whatever you like, anything. Okay. Because it is very important to have something apart from your career and your academics. Okay. Develop something, whatever you like. Be it anything, dancing, singing, sports, anything, whatever you like. Okay. There's no pressure to do this or that only. Okay.
I don't
So
like
think of
those.
it.
I'm ready to watch or I like watching movies, and I like to listen to music songs also. But I'm not ready to
That
sing. Don't like to dance.
that will not come in hobby, right? That will not come in hobby. Listening to
No,
music or that will not come in.
I don't think so. That is it's needed skill for me. So
See, think of it whenever you are free. Okay, just think of it that what better can you do from your side. Okay, because you are the one who can answer yourself. I cannot answer. No one can answer you. Okay,
but sir,
not even yes.
sir,
Yes, go ahead.
but I always used to solve Sudoku puzzles like that. So I like the
Huh,
puzzles.
huh, so you can just add. I like doing mind games. I like doing mind puzzles. Okay, wherever there is a thing where I have to apply my brain and I have to apply my intelligence, I try to. I like that. You can add that. I like applying intelligence, be it a Sudoku puzzle or anything. I like to apply my intelligence. The things which are like harder or difficult to solve, I try to involve myself there. I like those things. I like solving those things. You can add that, not a problem. You can definitely add that. So whatever things are there, you have to find your way. That's why I told you, take a paper and pen, write few things, you will get the points. Not a problem.
And I
Okay.
told, may I ask, can I add these things that I always choose a path and in problem solving, I always choose a path that's not mine.
Huh?
So
You can
I
add that.
never choose the path of textbooks or anything. So
You can add that. You can add that. Definitely. Yes, yes, add that. Not a problem. Frame it in a good way. Okay, frame it in a good way. Okay, and then add it to your intro. Okay, that I think about the rational approaches that is not in the book. I try to approach my way with the physical things. Okay, whatever we can see and whatever we can feel. Okay, try to add something like that. Okay, rest you have to work on the questions. Okay, on the academic questions and the questions which are in the job role of BDA and all. Sorry, your particular job role, whatever is there. Okay, so whatever questions are there, try to have a good approach, as I told you, how to communicate the answers and all that. Okay, if you want, we'll share some YouTube links with you. Okay, we have some interviews. Okay, you can just learn from that how to answer the questions. Okay, you'll get some idea, some points. Okay, that is all. Rest, I have a confidence that you will clear the interview because you have the skills. Just work on your parts where you are lacking, and definitely you'll clear the interview. Okay, so I wish you all the best from my side. Okay, do well and give us a good news soon that you got the job in Byju's, because you can do that. Okay, just have confidence on yourself. Okay.